Well, hello there folks, welcome to the second part of our Learning to Survive. Hope you enjoyed the first part, but in this part we shall make a wee bit more exploration of these local meteors, asteroids, whatever you like to call them. Oh, just popped out the seat, one button, push V Dave, there we go. Right, so the first place we can see, let's get well away from this rock before we move. Excellent. So if you push V to change your view, not B, V for very, that changes your view out. Hold Alt, and you can have a little look around. So I can see that I'm a decent bit away from that one now. Let's head over here. It's only 400 metres, so it really won't take us very long. You can see lots of loose rock, so don't really want to go in much closer. Yeah, I think that'll do. Just there. Okay, so we'll jump out the ship. Oh, always get stuck when you jump out of that seat. There's this change room, so hit X, C, drops you down, and you can carry. There we go. So, I have to go on the all jetpack, close in another couple hundred metres, put on my light with L, make sure I can see what I'm doing. And what have we got here? Oh, I'm assuming we have some kind of mining outpost. So what's this? This is a little connector. These connectors are what you connect your ships to. They could pass power. These ones are conveyor belted up, pardon me. And that allows you to transport goods from ship to building or from ship to ship, etc. So, nice. We've got a wee bit of gravity in here. Let's go in and see what's happening. Shut the door behind me. Cargo container. We've got what I was going to call it a welding ship. It certainly isn't a welding ship. This is a mining ship. It will drill your ore for you. There's a good bit of ore about here. You can see a lot of iron. Nice. Right. So there's a gravity generator, but it's not very strong. So what is our mission here? This is a useful mining ship here, but it needs to be repaired. Required components are likely near your current location. Restore power to the mining ship. I wonder where they might be. Might they be in here? No, not in the connector. Well, I wonder, will they be in this cargo container? Aha! I see some parts. So, power cells. I'll take half of them. I already have some of them. Take some more of them. Some more of them. Get our welder out. Pop over. Iron thruster needs fixed. That requires thruster components, so we don't have any of those. What else needs fixed? The iron thruster. That armour. Got the steel it needs in it. Better put the jet back on and see a bit better. A wee bit more armour needing fixed. Gotta have it looking good. So it's batteries looking the bad way. That's what these are here in the small build. So you get two types of size of build. As you can see here, this is a small grid build. Everything else that's around here is large grid builds. You see that battery? That's what this is represented in the small grid, so you can see a difference there. I have what I need on it. Pick this up. Oh, did it? Great. Enter the cockpit to get started. Enter the cockpit by pressing F while facing the cockpit. The batteries use power cells. Now when you break down any component here, or item, whatever you want to call them, I will receive some of those steel plate, or all of those steel plate. Let's figure around that plate down. See, there's another one gone. It's in my inventory. So it's a really handy thing because you can break down a lot of what you built if you decide you want to change the design. But batteries, the power cells do not come out the battery, so you have to make them again and again. I keep falling off this wee ship. Or rover, whatever you like to call it. Actually, I might want some more light. Into the cockpit again. I'm going to tear that off and I'll use left click. Now in the cockpit. Set drill toolbar, use the right mouse function to create a tunnel number to escape. Press B to unlock the landing gears. That is on. Yep. We actually didn't even need to do that. We're just good to take off. It's a bit unusual. So as we come out here, see it's telling us there's iron about, which is really handy. Silicon. And it's telling us because we've got an ore detector on this ship. Which is a bit like what happens. Oh, there's nickel. Sweet. Which is a bit like what happens when you have your drilling. It tells you it's nearby. You just pop a wee hole in the side here. This is holding down the right button. You hold down the left button, just like with your drill. Drill. Keep. When you're drilling, use the left button. So I'm stuttering over my words now. There we go, I've escaped. There we go, your wee brilliant tip while using the drill. Left mouse button to collect ore, right mouse button to create tunnels fast. That said it far better than what I did. Okay. So, back over to our wee ship. I think I'm going to try and find it. So there's some more things I'd like to put in my taskbar first. So let's push K. Let's have a little look. Interior lights incomplete. That's iron thruster. That's iron thruster. It's incomplete. So it's not too bad. It's mostly all working. 2 medium cargo containers, so it can hold a decent bit of ore. That's handy. Right. So what I'm actually in here for is the landing gears. There we are. There's 2 of them. We'll group them. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. If you hold control, push the left click, it's handy when there's just 2. If I wish to grab a whole load of them, I would hold shift and it fills in the whole bar top to bottom. So I want both landing gear. And I would like to group these. Landing gear. We'll call this a minor. Excellent. Why have I grouped that? Well, in this view, I hit G. You can now go to groups, which I've created, landing gear minor. And now we've got a wee menu up here. This is really handy, so you've got toggle block on and off, which is its power, and it gives you the options. You can have a button for on and a button for off. Mostly, just use the switch over the toggle block on and off. So down here we have lock, unlock, or switch lock. Now see how they change that around? Then they get caught out with that. So it's switch lock we actually got. Something I just noticed there, auto locking. Don't really want auto locking on. So I'm going to push K, go back in here, pop up the landing gear minor and make sure, yep, auto locking is not on. I'll pop out to show you where the landing gear are on this boat, not in the jetpack. They're down here, very, very close to the bottom. I personally am too keen on that, but it does work. Just shows you how tight and neat you can be with things. Okay, so let's carry on our mission. Okay, so we are completely upside down the way the ship is. This absolutely all of it. So I'll come over here, turn around, I'm going to change my view, remembering hitting V. And you can see I'm actually quite a good bit off. So I'm going to zoom in a bit, because I need to be able to see those landing gear to try and land. It's not a particularly good ship to actually land on. There's not a lot there to grab onto. So I suppose we could upgrade it a wee bit and see how it is. I think I need to go forward a wee bit more. Oh no, I'm actually okay, just a wee bit. Make sure I'm pointing in the right direction. Push C to come down. To see a ready to on there. Oh, I hit 6. Believe we are now locked on. It's only with 1 foot, but we are locked on. So at this point, I'd like to group something else. I'm going to pop in here. I'd like to group all my thrusters together. So I'll hold shift this time. That's all of that. Thrusters. Again, put in minor, just to differentiate it from anything else. There we go. Pop back out. Hit G. Groups. And thrusters. Put them next to here. And what I'd like to have here is on off. Simply because when they're on, they kind of help a little, I suppose, but they also hinder you when you're trying to do manoeuvres. So I'll switch them off, and we are totally locked on here. Hit F and bounce out. Excellent. Have to turn around. Nice. So I did some light to the front. Oh, maybe hit that off a wee bit. It's in there. And we're back in. Ah, light out. Oh! Suddenly drunk moment. That sometimes happens when you have your mag boots on and you walk across a not exactly flat piece of floor. Okay, let's jump back in here. So, we have achieved that. While I'm here, I'm going to pop out and actually show you something. There we go. So, here we go. Back over to the mining post, just to quickly show you. This beacon here is already set on a particular range. So, I come over here and use access to the control panel. I'm looking for beacon, which will be saying mining outpost. If you look down at the bottom here, the broadcast radius, as I was saying, it's already set at 500 meters. I'm going to put that up to 200,000 meters so that we can actually see it from a really good distance away. It's something I need to do on all of our crafting that so far. There's a bounce out here. I think to myself, where did I leave? Where did I park my ship? That's a good question. To find that out, just hit. Oh! Construction facility, mining outpost. Miner! Look at that. There we go. It's easy to lose things in space. I didn't attach that miner. I may not have been able to find this. So, like I just did there, I'm going to pop in here, hit K. It has an antenna that is in here. It's named antenna, but I'm sure it had beacon as well, which had its name on it. No, incorrect. So pop that up. That gives us 50,000 meters. Remembering this is a small grid, and that's a good point of difference to the small grid and the big grid. The large grid will give you 200,000. But that's still pretty good. I shouldn't lose my ship so easily again. Right. There we go. Let's try and not have that little jump moment again. Thank you very much. Okay, so we have achieved the mining outpost. The next mission was over here. 500 meters away now. Let's try and give you a view of that ship on the bottom. There we go. Couple of other missions have just popped up. So let's hit Alt and see what they say. Task pressurization observation post. Task production advanced production facility. That's nice. I think those will be the things we're doing next time. Flying like this is pretty difficult. So a quick double click on V pulls it. What is this little place hiding? Sometimes things aren't as easy as what they seem. I'll just jump out. And we'll go investigate on foot, so to speak. Looks like it's inside, doesn't it? Here we are. It's just peeking around the corner. No, way all around the wrong way. There we go. There we are. There's a gravity generator here so we can jump in space. I really like that. Task, ship tools. Let's have a little look around. Ooh, another ship down there. That ship down there has a couple of other tools on to what we've seen so far. So what we have here is a grinder. And a welding tool. These are really handy later on when I want to build bigger ships. That's a pretty cool looking little ship. Okay, well, I was going to have a look around and got distracted by that ship, so yeah. Seems this is the next quest. Start task. There's a useful utility ship here, but it needs to be repaired. Require components are likely near your current location. Restore power to the utility ship. Okay, so... Oh, there's a cargo container. What do we have here? Oh, 2 uranium ingot. That's a bit rare. There's power cells. It said we needed to return power, so we've got 10 with us still. Something tells me we're going to need a little bit of this. So I'm going to take 30 pieces of that. Take all of them. We double click. 30 pieces of that. Right, let's see what we need to do here. So, well, they needed one power cell. This champion. There's a couple of computers. I'll have some of them on. Brilliant. So that's power restored. Let's see if there's anything else that needs to be fixed. Oh, this side is fixed. There we go. Need some more power cells and a wee bit more steel plate. Bounce back in here. 1, 2, maybe 1, 2. Never mind. I think we have enough. So, when you're welding, do a single, keep your finger down, and you can double click. When you double click it, I think it does actually weld up a little bit quicker. Oh, a wee bit of body work. A wee bit more body work. Right, into the cockpit to get started. Well, fair enough. In the cockpit. Ship tools are useful to build and deconstruct parts quickly. You can store large quantities of components. Select one of the ship tools on your toolbar and use these to escape the hangar. Push P to turn off the landing gears if you've got any items on board. Inventory. Well, we do actually have a bit. Let's pop out and see how much it would take to fix it up. Maybe fix that one. Yeah, I don't think it's feasible that we can fix them all. There we go. You're locked. You're not locked. And we can go forward. So it might be worthwhile just showing you how this entirely works. There we go. So what I did there was quickly switch over from my grinder to my welder by using 1 and 2. It's quite good. And if you hit 0, just like as normal, that clears and neither of them are selected. There we go, ship tools are useful to build and deconstruct blocks quickly and store large quantities of components. Select one of the ship tools from the toolbar and use them to escape the hangar. There we go. Now I'm about to escape the hangar. Woohoo! And here we are. That's fantastic. So, once again, wondering just where exactly did I leave the ship? It's 110 miles above. There you are. Woohoo! That's absolutely fantastic. That actually seems like a very good place to stop this second episode. I hope this has been good and informative. The next time I'll investigate those other places that we've seen. See what they bring. Production facilities. Always sounds great. Anyway, thanks for having me and keep on building. Bye now.